How to create a Movo bank account online. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Movo bank account online. It's simple and quick, so let's get started. Open your web browser and go to the official Movo website at movo.com. On the homepage, click on the Get Started button to begin the account creation process. Provide your full name, email address, and phone number. You'll also need to enter your home address and date of birth to complete the registration. Now choose a secure username and password for your Movo account. Make sure your password is strong for security purposes, as you will be using these two credentials to log into your account in the future. Movo will ask for verification to confirm your identity, and this may involve submitting a government-issued ID and taking a selfie for facial recognition. You can link your Movo account to an existing bank account or add funds using a debit or credit card, so follow the prompts to securely link your payment method. Review the terms and conditions of Movo services, and if you agree, click on I agree to proceed. Once everything is filled out, click the submit button to complete your application, and after submitting, you will receive a confirmation email. Once your account is approved, you'll have access to your Movo bank account online. And that's it, you've successfully created your account, and now you can start managing your finances and using Movo services. Thanks for watching.